Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is k square minus k power of 3 is equal to 12. To find the values of k from this equation. Now, in the first step, we'll take this 12 to the left side. So, we'll start by this, which is k square minus k power of 3. We take 12 to this side, it will be minus 12 is equal to 0. Then into here, it will be k square minus k power of 3, then minus 12. We split according to these two exponents. So minus 12 is same as minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12 is equal to 0. Then into here, it will be k square minus k power of 3 minus 4. Into exponent, it will be minus 4 into exponent, it is 2 square, minus 8 into exponent, it is 2 power 3 is equal to 0. Then we place with like powers of 2 together. So we start by this, which is k square, then minus 2 square, then with like powers of 3 together. So it will be minus k power of 3, then minus 2 power of 3 is equal to 0. Then into here, it will be, we place inside the bracket, so it will be k square minus 2 square bracket. Then here inside the bracket, but negative is common, so we'll take negative outside the bracket. So it will be minus k power of 3 divided by negative is positive k power of 3. Minus 2 power of 3 divided by negative is plus 2 power of 3. Bracket is equal to 0. Then in the next step, into here, k square minus 2 square. This is in the form of a perfect squares. So we'll apply perfect square rule in this form, whereas this is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket times bracket a minus b bracket. And into this part here is in the form of perfect cubes, whereas we will apply the rule in this form, whereas this is in the form of a power of 3 plus b power of 3 is equal to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square bracket. Now from this part here, whereas this part is in this form, then we apply this form. So a plus b, it will be k plus 2. So here it will be k plus 2 bracket a minus b, it will be k minus 2. So here k minus 2 bracket, then minus, into this part is in this form, then we apply this form. So a plus b, it will be k plus 2. So here bracket k plus 2 bracket a square, it will be k square, then minus ab, it will be minus k times 2, it is 2k, plus b square, it will be 2 square, which is 4, bracket is equal to this 0. Then in the next step, into here, k plus 2 is common. So we'll take k plus 2 bracket outside the bracket. Now this here divided by k plus 2, it is this k minus 2. Then bracket, here negative, this here divided by k plus 2, it is this here. So here it will be bracket k square minus 2k plus 4 bracket is equal to 0. Now into here it will be k plus 2 bracket, then bracket, here we open the bracket, it will be k minus 2. Here we open the bracket by negative, it will be minus k square, here it will be plus 2k, here it will be minus 4, bracket is equal to 0. Then into here it will be k plus 2 bracket. Here we start by this minus k square, then k plus 2k is 3k, so plus 3k, minus 4 minus 2 minus 4, it is minus 6, bracket is equal to 0. Then into here we have two solutions, where this first solution of k plus 2 is equal to 0, and this second solution of minus k square plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0. Then from this solution, let's solve this solution of k plus 2 is equal to 0. So we take 2 to the right side. So it will be k is equal to negative 2. So this is the first value of k, which is real solution. And to solve from this quadratic equation, here negative k square, we want to make this positive first. So we'll divide the whole equation, divide by negative 1. So here negative k square divided by negative 1, it is positive k square. 3k divided by negative 1 is minus 3k. Minus 6 divided by negative 1 is plus 6, is equal to 0 divided by negative 1, it is 0. Then from this quadratic equation here, we'll solve by using quadratic formula. So from quadratic formula, to find the values of k is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here it will be k is equal to minus b is coefficient of k, which is negative 3. So here negative 3 plus or minus square root of b square, it will be minus 3 bracket square, then minus 4 times a it is 1, times c is 6, then over 2 times a it is 1. Then into here it will be k is equal to minus 3, it is positive 3, plus or minus square root negative 3 square, it is positive 9, minus 4 times 6 is minus 24, then over 2 times 1, it is 2. So here it will be k is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 24, it is minus 15, then over this 2. So into here it will be k is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of negative 15 is same as 15 times square root of negative, which is negative 1, square root of negative 1, it is I, then over 2. So from here we have two complex solutions. Now our conclusion, the first value of k is equal to here, which is negative 2. The second value of k is equal to, into here when it is positive, it will be 3 plus square root of 15i over 2. So here 3 plus square root of 15i over 2. The third value of k is equal to, here when it is negative, it will be 3 minus square root of 15i over 2. So here 3 minus square root of 15i over 2. So we have 3 values of k into this our problem, whereas we have one real solution and 2 complex solutions. Now let's check these solutions if we are correct. So we check for this real solution of k is equal to negative 2. Now to check for k is equal to negative 2, here it will be negative 2. We substitute negative 2 into here and here, so it will be negative 2 bracket square, then minus k power of 3, it will be negative 2 bracket power of 3. Is it equal to this 12? Now negative 2 square is same as negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. Then minus negative 2 power 3 is same as negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Is it equal to this 12? Now into here it will be 4. Negative and negative, it is positive, so it will be plus 8. Is it equal to 12? Now 4 plus 8, it is 12, is equal to 12. So left side and right side are equal. Then it is true for the value of k is negative 2. Also the other two complex solutions are correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.